Okay, students. So let us see the next question in plane scales. The question is construct a scale of 1 is to 14 to read feet and inches and long enough to measure up to 7 feet. Show a distance of 5 feet 10 inches on it. This is your question. After reading the question, first write down the formula, keep the heading calculation and write down the formula. SF or RF equal to scale factor or representative factor equal to length of the line in drawing by actual length. Now, SF or RF will be always in terms of ratio, numerator and denominator, right? So they mentioned here 1 is to 14, write down here 1 by 14 equal to length of the line. Always it is x only and we are going to find out x value by actual length. Actual length is, I already said, to measure up to some distance, to read up to some distance. That distance is nothing but actual length. Here they mentioned to measure up to 7 feet. So actual length is here 7 feet. Right now, whatever may be the units here, you have to convert these units into millimeters, right? First I should convert this feet into inches. 1 feet equal to 12 inches, so 1 by 14 equal to x by 7 into 12 inches, right? After that I should convert that inches into millimeters, right? So I will get 7 into 12 inches is 87 inches, 84 inches. I am converting that inches into millimeters. 1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeters. So I got the x value here. Right? Whatever may be the units, you have to convert that units into millimeters. So that's why I said in previous lecture to read the conversions. Conversions is very important in scales. Now the x value is 152.4. I am taking here 15.2. Right? After that, what is the rule for plane scale? Taking height 5 mm and taking height here 5 mm. Right? Construct this rectangular box first. Right? After that, now you should divide this 152, this x length into number of equal parts. This number of equal parts depends on actual length. Actual length is here 7 feet, so divide into 7 equal parts by taking here 30 degrees angle. Right? So divide this with the help of compass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? Now join this last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines. Now start with 0. 5 feet 10 inches. No, so I can give numberings here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In question they mention feet and inches. No, so I should write here feet. This total portion is feet and this part. This is here take height 5 mm and write down here inches. Right, from 0 draw the perpendicular line. Now you have to divide this portion into number of equal parts. Previous all three problems we divided this portion into 10 equal parts because 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters, 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters, like that. But here they mention feet and inches. Right, 1 feet equal to 12 inches, so you have to divide this portion into 12 equal parts. Right, this is the only problem which we are dividing into 12 equal parts. Remaining all the problems we are dividing into 10 equal parts. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Join this last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines. Right, now from every line, draw the perpendicular line. Right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last point is 12th point. Now what I have to mark? 5 feet and 10 inches, no? This is feet. So 5 feet, right? And next 10 inches. Inches is here, no? 10th point is here. So from 10th point, I am drawing the extension line. And draw the dimensional line, closed and filled arrow marks. Write down simply 5 feet 10 inches. After completion, write down SF or RF equal to 1 by 14 length of scale. Length of scale equal to 152.4 mm. Right, actually this marking should not touch the diagram. Here there is no place for me, so I am marking the dimensions inside the diagram. Don't mark the dimensions inside the diagram. Right, so let us see the next one. Now see this one. If 1 centimeter long line on a map represents a real length of 4 meters, calculate RF and draw a plane scale long enough to measure up to 50 meters. Mark a distance of 44 meters on it. So after reading the question, first write down the formula SF for RF equal to length of the line by actual length. Now in previous all questions, they mentioned the SF value directly. In terms of ratio, in terms of numerator, denominator, they mentioned the SF value directly. In this question, now they didn't mention in direct manner, they mentioned in indirect manner. Right? So in such cases, what you have to do means first forget about this. Write down the length of the line in drawing. Length of the line in drawing is always it is x by actual length. Actual length is to measure up to read up to some distance, that is actual length. So in this question they mentioned long enough to measure up to 50 meters. Measure up to 50 meters, so this is your actual length. Now coming to SF and RF. What are the remaining two units we are having here? 1 centimeter and 4 meters. Right, we are having two here, 1 centimeters and 4 meters. Right, now how to mark this one? 1 centimeter long line on a map represents as 4 meters. Right, always the SF value will be in terms of ratio, numerator and denominator. In denominator you should write larger value, in numerator you should write smaller value. Right, 1 centimeter is smaller, 4 meters is larger. So in denominator I should larger value, no? So 4 meters. Numerator I should write smaller value, no? 1 centimeter. Don't see the numbers, see the units. Right, now 1 centimeter equal to how many? Here the units we have to convert into millimeters, no? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters by, I can cancel this meters and meters. Right, 4 equal to x by 50. Right, if I calculate this, I will get x equal to 125 mm. So this is the method. When they mention indirect question, this is the process you have to solve. Right, so x value is 125. Now I am taking 125 mm. I am drawing a straight line. Right, after that I am taking height 5 mm. I am taking height 5 mm. Right, and I am drawing a line again here 125 mm. First construct this rectangular box. Now after that I should divide this length into number of equal parts. Number of equal parts depends on actual length. Actual length is 50. 50 means don't divide 50. 50 means divide into 5 equal parts. divide into 5 equal parts by taking 30 degrees angle, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Join this last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines. Right? Now how to give numbering? Start from 0. 50. Right? So I can give here 10, 20, 30, 40. Here you see what we have to mark. Show a distance of 44, no? So 44 means I should mark here 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Right? After that, from 0 draw a perpendicular line. Right? Now divide this portion into 10 equal parts by taking 30 degrees angle. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 equal parts. Join the last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines. Right? Now from every point draw the perpendicular lines till this baseline. See the all lines distance should be in same. Right? So 0 no. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right? Now what you have to mark? 44 meters. Right? So 44 meters means how can I split this one? 44 meters. So forget about these units. Right? I can split this 44 into 40 plus 4. Okay, so coming to units, here no decimals, no. If there is no decimal, write down the same unit, meter only. Here also no decimal, no. So write down the same units, meter only. Right? So coming to here, you also write down here, take height 5 mm, write down here meter, take height 5 mm, write down here meter. Right? Now 44 meters, no. 40 and here from 4 draw a straight line. 44 meters. Draw the dimensional line. Closed and filled arrow marks. 44 meters equal to 40 meters plus 4 meters. Right? Write down here SF or RF equal to what we have written, 1 centimeter by 4 meters. 1 centimeter by 4 meters. Length of scale, whatever you are writing, take height 5 mm and write down 125 mm. Right? So same problem, same this method only, having one more problem. So let us see this one. A real length of 1 decameter is represented by a line of 5 centimeters. So 1 decameter line is representing as 5 centimeters. Find RF and construct a plane scale to measure up to 2.5 decameters. Mark a distance of 19 meters on it. Right? So first of all, write down the formula. SF for RF equal to length of the line drawing by actual length. So this is indirect manner. So indirect manner, what I said, first don't write this SF and RF. First write down the length of the line. Always it is X by actual length. Actual length is to measure up to read up to. Right? So it is here 2.5 decameters. Right? Then next, coming to SF or RF value, 1 decameter is representing as 5 centimeters. Right? So 5 centimeters is smaller value, write down here. 1 decameter is larger value, write down here. right? So decameters and decameters gets cancelled. 5 into 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters by 1 equal to x by 2.5, right? So we'll get x equal to 125 mm, right? So same process, take 125 mm line, take 125 mm line, right? 5 mm, 5 mm. This is the rule for plane scale, taking height 5 mm, and again draw this 125. First construct this rectangular box. Now you have to divide this length into number of equal parts. This number of equal parts depends on actual length. Actual length is here 2.5 decameters. Right? Now how many equal parts you will do here? 2.5 decameters mark a distance of 19 meters. Here decameters was there, here meters was there. Right? So 1 meter equal to 10 decameters. So here 2.5 decameters means 25 meters. Right? So 25 meters means divide into 5 equal parts by taking 30 degrees angle. Divide into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join this last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines. Right, so here we are taking like as 25 meters, no, right? So how to give numberings? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. After that, from 0 draw the perpendicular line and again divide this into 10 equal parts. Take 30 degrees angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Divide into 10 equal parts. Join this last arc to this end of the line. Right? Draw parallel lines. From every point, draw the perpendicular lines. Right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Now what you have to mark? You have to mark a distance of 19 meters. Right? So forget about that units. 19 meters, no? Forget about this. How I will split this 19? Either I can split 10 plus 9. Either I can split 15 plus 4. Right? So for 10, no decimals, no. Write down the same unit, meter. No decimals, meter. No decimals, meter. No decimals, meter. Either I can mark this or either I can mark this. Right? So take height 5 mm, write down here meter. Take height 5 mm and write down here meter. So I'm going to, so that's why I have written here 5 tables, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 like that. So I am marking here 15 plus I am marking here 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth point. So from 4 again I am drawing a extension line, dimensional line, closed and filled arrow marks. 19 meters equal to 15 meters plus 4 meters, and after completion of your diagram write down SF or RF equal to 5 centimeters by 1 decameter, length of scale equal to 125 mm. X value. Right? So for last two problems I will tell only the calculations, right? Now see here, a rectangular plot of 100 square kilometers is represented on a certain map by similar rectangular area of 4 square centimeters and long enough to measure up to 50 kilometers. Draw a scale to show kilometers and mark a distance of 43 kilometers on it. Right? After reading the question, write down the formula SF for RF equal to length of the line drawing by actual length. Now this is indirect question, so forget about this SF for RF. Write down here length of the line. Length of the line always it is X by actual length. Actual length is to measure up to read up to. So here they mentioned to measure up to 50 kilometers. So write down here 50 kilometers. Then what are remaining two units? 100 square kilometers, 4 square centimeters. So 4 square centimeters is smaller and 100 square kilometers is larger. Right? So I can take I can write 4 square centimeter. No, so I can write here 4 centimeter square by 100 kilometer square equal to X by 50 kilometers. So here square root is there. No, what I am doing, I am keeping the square root on numerator and keeping the square root on denominator. So square root of 4 is 2 centimeter. Square root get cancelled for here. By under root of 100 is 10. This square root and square root get cancelled now, 10 kilometers equal to X by 50 kilometers. Kilometer get cancelled. 2 into 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters by 10 equal to X by 50. Right? So if I calculate this, I will get the X value is 100 mm. Right? So X value is 100. No, okay, I will draw this. Take the X value as 100. Right? After that, take height 5 mm. Take height 5 mm. Right? First construct this rectangular box. After that, you have to divide this line into number of equal parts. How many equal parts depends on actual length. Actual length is 50, no? So divide into 5 equal parts, but give the numbering 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am joining this last arc to end of the line and I am drawing the parallel lines here. Right? So giving the numberings as 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Right? Again from 0 I should draw a perpendicular line. Right? After that I am placing my protractor on that line, taking 30 degrees. Right? Divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 equal parts. Right? Now join this last arc to end of the line. Draw parallel lines from every point. Right, again from all the points I should draw the perpendicular lines till this base line. Right, so 0 no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what I have to mark? 43 kilometers. So forget about this units, kilometers. So how I will mark this 43 kilometers? First forget about this. How I will split this one? 40 plus 3. No decimals, no kilometers. No decimals, no kilometers. Right? So I can write here taking height 5 mm kilometers and taking height 5 mm here kilometers. Right. Now 40 plus 3 no. From 40 I am drawing the extension line. From 3, this is the third point, I am drawing the extension line. Dimensional line, closed and filled arrow marks. 43 kilometers equal to 40 kilometers plus 3 kilometers. Right? After completion of your diagram, write down here SF or RF equal to 4 centimeter square by 100 kilometer square. Right? Length of scale. Length of scale I got here x value is 100 mm. Right? So let us see the last problem in plane scales. Here in this question they mention square root. No, here they mention cube root. A cube of 5 cm side represents a tank of 1000 cubic meters volume. Find RF and construct a scale to measure up to 35 meters. Mark a distance of 27 meters on it. So first write down the formula. So this is indirect question. No, length of the line in drawing is x by actual length is to measure up to 35 meters. Right. Now 5 centimeter 1000 cubic meters. 5 centimeter is smaller value. I am writing in numerator by 1000 cubic meters volume. 1000 meter cube. Right. So I can write this one as 5 centimeter by cube root of 1000 meter cube equal to x by 35 meters. Right. So I can simplify as 5 centimeters by cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube get cancelled. 10 meter equal to x by 35 meters. Right. So I can cancel here meters and meters, right, and I will get the x value. X equal to, I will get here 175 mm. Right. Now I will draw a see I am drawing a line which is equal to 175. Right. So here for me place is not sufficient. I am drawing the rough diagram here. Right. So I am taking height 5 mm. I am taking height 5 mm. Right. I am constructing this rectangular box first. After that I should divide this length into number of equal parts. How many number of equal parts depends on actual length. Actual length is here 35 meters. So 35 meters means with 5 table I can divide into 5 equal parts or 7 equal parts. Right. So what I am doing is 35 meters. No. So taking 5 table, right, I can divide into 7 equal parts by taking 30 degrees angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Joining the last arc to end of the line, and I am drawing parallel lines. Start from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. See, in such cases, see if it is 50, we are taking 5 equal parts, we are giving 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. In such cases, you can take the fifth table. You can take the fifth table and you can divide that number of equal parts. Right. After that, I am dividing this portion into 10 equal parts by taking 30 degrees angle. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I am just this last diagram I am drawing in rough manner. Right. So from all the points I am joining all these points. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right. Now what I have to mark? 27 meters. Right. So 27 meters I can take it as 20 plus 7. or I can take it as 25 plus 2. Right? So no decimals, no meters, no meters and meters. No decimals, no meters and meters. Right? Either I can mark this or this. Right? So I am marking here from 25. I am drawing the extension line. From 2, I am drawing the extension line. 25 plus 2. I am drawing the dimensional line here. Closed and filled arrow marks. Closed and filled arrow marks. 27 meters equal to 25 meters plus 2 meters. Right? So take height 5 mm and write down here meters. Right? After completion of your diagram, write down SF or RF equal to 5 centimeter by 1000 meter cube length of scale. How much I got X value here? 175 mm. Right? So these are the problems in plane scales. See, plane scales is 2 consecutive units I am saying. We solved so many problems, no? Now let us see in question if they ask to mark 5.2 meters. First forget about these units. Write down 5 plus 0.2. Now coming for units, meters. If there is no decimal, write down the same thing meter. If there is decimal, cancel this 0.2, no, write down 2 meter immediate subdivision decimeters. Right? If suppose it is 23 kilometers, forget about units. 23 I can split 20 plus 3. No decimals, I will write kilometers. No decimals, I will write this kilometers. Right? So constructing the plane scales is easy if you know the formula, if you know the conversions, right? And if you know how to write this one. Right? So these are all the problems in plane scales.